Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make on this lovely Tuesday. You may be seated. Today we have a couple of birthdays. We have Justin Johnson in 5th grade, happy birthday, and Ashley Rojas in 3rd grade. Have a happy birthday and make sure you stop by my office to get your little birthday gift. Today we're going to focus on Rattlers Be Responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Think about it. You only have a few days left until your 9-day break. You need to make sure you are focusing and that you're owning your own learning. Even if the student next to you is not paying attention, that is not who you are. You are going to make sure you are paying attention and you are owning your learning. Idea 15 is cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough and say excuse me. Our vocabulary word of the day today is oppose, to act against, to hinder or obstruct, adversary. To act against. So what does that really mean? So you can challenge someone, you could disagree with them. So the student council supports the winter dance, but it opposes the spring carnival. So that means it is against the spring carnival. Today is Tuesday. Make sure you go to your academic block second period for your academic block and take some time to look at your uniform. Today, I hope you found a twin, but if you're in your normal uniform, you probably have lots of twins walking around. All right, today is Tuesday. Math people, good luck. 2nd, 4th, and 5th grade math. All right, we only have 2 days left for the food drive. Today and tomorrow is it. Also, we had 13 scholars out on, only 13 scholars out on Monday, which means we hit 91%. We met our goal. I'm so proud of you all. Today is going to be a beautiful day, so make sure you're acting right in class and that you are able to go outside for recess. Tomorrow should be another beautiful day. We may have some sprinkles on Thursday and Friday. Also, a lot of you know 2 languages. Did you know that's actually pretty amazing and that can open a lot of doors for you? Some of you even know 3. Learning a new language or playing a musical instrument gives your brain a boost. So if you actually learn I've heard there have been studies that once you know 2 languages, it's actually easier to learn a 3rd, a 4th, a 5th. All right, remember that this Friday is our challenge, and tomorrow is Wacky Hair Wednesday. So wear the wackiest hairstyle that you can. If you have any questions about guidelines, you can ask your homeroom teacher, but use your best judgment. Then Thursday is 80s Day, and then Free Dress Friday. Another plug for the 2nd grade Winter Wonderland dance on December 13th. All right, let's say the Runberg Academy chant. Ready, go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday. Remember that choice is all yours. Remember, we have 3 days after today. We just have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Make sure you're here and trying your best each one of those days, and then I will call off school all of next week. And you can enjoy Thanksgiving with your family. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you, love you, love you, and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes to call the parents of the students that are out, and let's try to hit ADA again today. Have a great day.